couple of years ago, I fell in love with this singer, Ava Cassidy, who some of you may know. I can't tell a lie, I fell in love with her because she sings on the Love Actually soundtrack, which is actually one of my all-time favorite movies. But then it turns out she has this beautiful, soulful voice. And then I just sort of wanted to know more about her, and so I looked her up, and it turns out that she died at the age of 35 and had this like extreme stage fright and never wanted to put her music out there. She didn't perform. Almost all of her albums were produced posthumously because she basically just wanted to make music. Sounded like a little familiar. And her story, just like really rang true for me. And so this next song is one of hers that I absolutely adore. And one thing I really like about it is that it's kind of like come up at many different stages of my life. When I first heard it, I heard it and thought like, oh, this is definitely about family. And then you get a little older and different things start happening and your friends start having these like beautiful babies. And I was like, oh no, this is definitely about like seeing what it's like for someone to become a parent and for children to be in the world and all these amazing things. And then fell in love, and I think it might also be that too. But I just think it's like so special that way because it can kind of apply to all those different situations.
Before